Hello everybody. I have been for today been making a video game on Scratch with and my brother's been helping me make it with all the coding. I picked out all the stuff. So basically I'll be showing you just a quick video of me showing you the video game that I've been working on, and me and my brother. And I'm going to give you a tutorial of like how it starts, and my brother afterwards will be showing you all the coding. So let's play. Okay. So these two buttons don't work yet. We're going to fix that. So press Call Dragon House. Ah, monster. Oh, sorry. You're not a monster. My name is Borb. What's your name? Press N to type your name. So we're going to press N. What's your name? All right. Now, once we put that in, it says, hi, your name. So, yeah, that's all we had so far. Now, my brother is going to show you guys the coding. Oh, and also, you can walk and jump. We. Okay. You can come in now.
Okay. So this is built on Scratch using block coding, and it's a super good beginner coding. Scratch is completely free if you want to try it out. So, anyways, the way it worked is so the backdrop started as the uh, main menu. This is basically the main menu and everything, and uh and all the buttons started out like this, as you saw. And so the code with it will start with the first button, the play. So everything, like all the characters, are called sprites, and those are basically what you can interact with. So the play button, button 2 sprite, when this sprite is clicked, switch backdrop to boardwalk, which is the other background, and then switch costume to button 2-A or -A, which is basically an visible form of the play button, and that makes it so when it goes to the boardwalk, the play button would disappear, so you can't like click on it again. And with button 3 settings, the button 3 settings and the quit button don't work yet. We are going to eventually make them work though. So when the backdrop switches to boardwalk, it switches to the invisible form, and same thing for the quit button. This was for something, but it's not for something anymore, and I've just kept it here. Now this is the dragon, which is going to be the main character. And the dragon is so I've made it so it can jump and walk forward, backwards, and you realize how it's here now. So that is because it's just there originally, but I wanted it so, well, we both wanted it so it would appear when the game actually started. So we made it so it starts out as the invisible uh, dragon, and then when you press the play button and the backdrop switches to boardwalk, it switches to the regular dragon. We got this dragon from ChatGPT, who very kindly was able to make this for us. And like the moving is some of the most simple things. When W key press, change X, which is left to right by 10. So that makes it go forward 10. And then when S key pressed, change X by -10, which goes backwards because the left side or bottom is negative and the top and to the right is positive. So then the space bar, when space key is pressed, change Y, which is up and down by 50, and then wait 0.5 seconds, so 30 milliseconds, to go back down -50 to where it originally was. So pretty simple. And the part that's most is your buddy Void. Void, it tells you, like, gives you advice and stuff. So Void originally is 0, and it still has the same thing when backdrop switches to boardwalk. The it goes switch costume to invisible Void. And then this is what you first see. When backdrop switches to boardwalk, glide so it glides for 3 seconds to X6 and Y5. So kind of like a, what is it called, line plot? I don't know, it's a graph thing in math, and it basically glides you down to 6x and glides you to side 6x and down 5 y5, and it does that, like, it doesn't just do that, it glides like that in 3 seconds. And then you can do say a monster for 4 seconds, as you saw. Wait a second, say, oh, sorry, you're not a monster, or whatever you need to say for 6 seconds. Wait another second, say what you need to do. 7 seconds, wait another second. And then it says, it says press N to type your name for, it says that for 8 seconds. So this is where you actually got to type your name in, which I've never done before. I've created a couple games on Scratch, but none like this. Like this project has gone pretty well so far. And so I did when N key pressed. It asks in sensing what your name is, and then it waits until you type in and give it what your name is. So if you see here, asks what your name, and then it waits until you click that check mark, and then that's when it continues the rest and say hi for 1 second, and then says the answer to what you put in for
your name,
which is the name that you put in, yes, for, it says that for 4 seconds. So far it's gone it's a very good game for my sister's first game, and I will leave her to say anything else she wants to say.
So, as my brother said, Vorb is like your informational, like, no, it helps you, it guides you out through the game and what to do. So when you get into the game, like if you didn't have Vorb, you would be confused. You didn't know what to do because you had no instructions. So I drew out Vorb, some tools, some tools, and yeah. Um, if you guys want us to make, if I might be, one day we'll just put this video game out on here and you guys can play it. That would be fun. If you want me to, we'll keep on updating you about what we've added to this, and my brother will be showing you how we did it, and yeah, if you guys want to make a video game and seems a little hard for you, you should use Scratch. It's really easy, simple, and even me, I use it. And my brother's been doing all the coding, obviously. I picked out the backgrounds, like what verb to say, and I picked out the name and all that stuff. So yeah, I think that's it. We'll keep you updated of what we've added to this and all that stuff like that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!